Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video. So this is part 2 of organizing my nail stickers. If you didn't catch part 1, I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can catch up and you're not missing out on any important information. But I do want to mention once again that this was inspired by the video that Lisette made organizing her nail stickers, and I will link her video in the description box below. So as you can see, I have all of my stickers organized. In the last video, there was a lot of stickers that I had to go through, and I actually ended up putting some to the side and I will be recycling those. I don't believe that I can recycle like the actual stickers, but the stuff like this, like these are water slide decals. I think these should be fine to recycle, but you know what? I'm not even 100% sure, so I'm actually gonna Google it. But basically, you guys, I'm putting all the stickers that I don't want to the side. If I can recycle it, I'll recycle it. If I can't, then I'll just throw it in the trash. But anyway, so everything you see here is what I'm going to be putting in my sticker binder. So let's just go ahead and continue. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to move some stuff around because I'm running out of my little sleeves and I still have like all these stickers left. And these are newer stickers that I just recently got within the last month or so. So I'm just gonna move some stuff around. I'm gonna try to keep like, I don't know, I might just end up putting like all my little kid stickers maybe in one pouch, just to free up the rest of them. I don't know. I will figure it out. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I'm just kind of trying to put together the last few stickers. And these, I don't even know if I really want to keep these. These are not actually stickers, these are stencils. I got these so long ago and I never used them. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. So so I have 2 more pockets left, so I'm gonna put these in here. And these with these flowers right here. So, and I know I'm actually gonna come back, and as I get more stickers, I'm gonna add more, I'm gonna remove some, and you know, like this binder isn't always gonna be exactly how I've set it up right now. But I do love this a lot more than all of the little containers that I used to store them in. So, and I have this last little pocket right here, so I will just put the stencils in here for now. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys again how I decided to do the Ziploc pouches. So I pretty much alternate the direction of the Ziploc, so you know it's down, up, all the way through, so that way it won't be difficult to close. But now that we have all these stickers in here, I don't know. Let's see if we can close it, because these right here made it really, really thick. And I don't want to throw any of these away. So let's see if we can close this thing. has a little stretch to it. Uh-oh, we might have a problem. Or not, hold on. Okay. Okay, it's definitely, okay, nothing else can fit in here for sure. It's packed, but it's so cute. It's so cute. I like this a lot better than these containers. Where are they? Let's see. These containers. Okay, this is a lot better than storing them in these containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yeah, I definitely think this one little binder is better than having 5 different containers of stickers and water slide decals all over the place. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. And of course, I hit the camera as usual. But, oops, sorry guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I just love the fact that it has this little heart on here, it's so cute. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I'm probably gonna end up buying another one of these because this is a little thick. Like, it's okay and it'll work for now, but I'm probably gonna end up getting another one because I'm a nail tech. So I'm gonna always buy more nail stickers, and as you can see, I don't think anything else can fit in here. So, and I did Google whether or not I could recycle some of these water slide decals, and it looks like I'm not gonna be able to. It says like the adhesive is dangerous for whatever their recycling process is. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna have to either throw them away, or I don't know. I hate the idea of throwing them away. I might just try to like donate them to like maybe a nail school, or I could really even give them to my old cosmetology teacher for anyone in her class that is interested in nails. So that's probably what I'll do. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe.